Welcome to our detailed review of the Jieotwice Single Double Axis Tracking Controller. This device is designed to maximize solar panel efficiency by automatically following the sun throughout the day. Let's dive into its features and performance. The controller supports both single and dual axis tracking. It uses a patented pyramid 4-quadrant light sensor that sends signals to an MCU. The MCU then processes the data and controls relays to adjust the motor platform, keeping panels perpendicular to the sun. One standout feature is its plug-and-play setup. The controller is factory-calibrated for high precision, so no complex parameter adjustments are needed. Just connect it, and it's ready to go. Tracking frequency is every 1 minute and 20 seconds. This balance ensures low power consumption while maintaining accurate tracking. It also includes anti-vibration algorithms to prevent unnecessary movement in windy conditions. For those times when manual control is needed, there's an easy-to-use manual mode switch. You can override automatic tracking to position panels as desired. The system also has a night mode that stows panels to a safe position. We tested this controller with a small solar array. Setup was straightforward. After mounting the sensor and connecting the motor, the controller began tracking immediately. Over a sunny day, we saw a 25% increase in energy yield compared to fixed panels. Tracking was smooth, even with intermittent clouds. Build quality is robust. The controller comes in a weatherproof enclosure with clear terminal blocks. The sensor is durable and sensitive enough to detect subtle light changes. Potential downsides. The instruction manual is minimal, but the product is intuitive. Also, the tracking interval means it doesn't adjust continuously, but the gain is still significant. Overall, the Jieotwice controller is an excellent choice for DIY solar trackers. It offers reliable automatic tracking, low power consumption, and easy installation. Whether you have a single or dual axis setup, this controller can boost your solar efficiency. If you're ready to upgrade your solar system, check the link in the description for current pricing.